So I never get service engine soon lights, but I have one now. Yay. N54 life. Just like that, you can have a service engine soon light on your BMW. It doesn't matter, don't worry. I see too many people get all worked up because they freak out because a light on your dash illuminates. You know what I do? I check the code and then I just delete it. If the code comes up back again, I check it to see if it's the same thing and I delete it again. If it comes back that initial third time in a short period of time, then you know you have a problem. A lot of times you'll get a bunch of codes for whatever be the case, because just how the DME is on BMWs, so they're a little finicky. And you could have false codes. You'd be stuck trying to troubleshoot it, and all you did was just have to clear it, and then let's say it never comes back again. So my JB4 app right at the moment isn't really working, so I gotta check further into that, but it wasn't reading that code. So I just deleted it, and I drove for another hour, nothing else popped back on. I'll keep an eye on it, but we'll see. So I just got back from Rancho Cucamonga, California. I was out there at the office. Back here now in Ohio. I actually enjoyed meeting up with some of you guys out there just to talk car stuff. It's really low key. I didn't want to put any pressure on, like, you know, doing a bunch of filming and stuff like that. I like to hear everyone's builds and just their passion towards BMW really in general. So I will be here coming soon. I'll be down in the Dallas-Fort Worth. So I'll be flying into that airport. So let me know if you guys are down around that area, but I'm happy to be home and happy to be back. So starting on the review camera here right now and getting that finished up so we can go ahead and get that DIY out for you guys. Hopefully you have a great weekend and thanks for stopping in. Take care.